Hello everyone, in this video we will be going to learn about how to hire a freelancer consultant for anything which you wanted to do with them. Recently I had an opportunity to interview few freelance consultant on one project. Recently I had an opportunity to interact with various consultants to get my job done on one project. What I learned, number one is whenever you would like to hire a consultant for any project or for any assignment, number one thing, check their background. When it comes to checking their background, check whether how much work they have done, what kind of clients they have, and what kind of industry these people have worked. So this is called checking the background. And if you know some people of the company where they already worked earlier, just check with them, make a phone call with them, ask about their experiences. This is number one. Number two, when it comes to after checking the background, the important thing comes here whether this consultant will be suitable for your industry, for your organization, and for that particular project or not. For that, what exactly you need to do? Check with these people that they have certain experience of working with that particular industry and maybe that kind of project. We have seen many consultants are there, those who are saying and telling you yes they can do the work, but actually they do not have any expertise into that particular area, and they would like to formulate, they would like to co-create and cook the entire story. Yes, they can do. We require someone who can really know the job, who really have the one level ahead as compared to the other people, that is called the expert level, so that we need not to break our head with these people in terms of explaining all the small and the minute things with them. So this is number two. Number three, interview them. So when you take their profile and when you are talking with them, see their seriousness into that particular thing, ask them to share about their own past experiences and their thought particularly on that project. When they speak up, when they talk about their previous experiences, ask few questions. And these questions I am sure will be very helpful for you to find out whether they are suitable for that particular project for your organization or not. So this is the important exercise. So when they take you through about their journey, their experiences and their past, the project which they might have completed, ask few questions that what are the challenges they have faced, discussions they were into, and how they overcome upon all those challenges. And the most important thing, the pre-program and the post-program, what was the output? This is the main important thing. Is there any change into the behavior of the people after completion of the project? This is number three. Number four, when they are telling you all these things, check the authenticity. And whenever they are sharing about their own experiences, whenever they are narrating the story, just check with the people whom they have completed the project. So normally consultants and the freelancer, they share about their past experiences, about the names of the companies or maybe the few stakeholders into that particular companies, those who are regularly in touch with these freelancers. Check with them, make a phone call with them, ask about their past experiences, because it's very much difficult for you to follow them once you get in the assignment with these people. Fifth important thing, that after you go through about their interview and everything, check about their commercials. The important thing here, the commercials should match with the industry, as well as the commercials are very reasonable, should be very reasonable. It should not be very high as compared to the other people, and it should not be very low. And always check whether these people are having current how many assignments. So many consultants are there, freelancers are there, which are the group of people which are those who are having already so many assignments, they are into it, and they may not be able to give you a required time and the attention which you may be looking for. So before you hire these all consultants, take care of these 5 points. And if you are a consultant, if you are a freelancer consultant, make sure that you give your authentic best way while you are giving your presentation to any organization or any person per se, and you give them your real best. See the energy, flow of energy while they are narrating the story, while they are sharing about their past experiences, how good they are into this. Ask few cross questions and find out their entire journey, that they have moved from corporate to the freelancer domain, and what was the reason, what was the past experiences into their corporate life. Have they really handled such kind of functions into their previous corporate job or not? Hope this video is useful for all of you. If this is useful, please share this with your all the friends so that they should get benefit out of it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe the channel and keep watching.